So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add members in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Microsoft Planner account. From there you can see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios, and I suggest you click on my plans, or if you don't have any or you want to add members, just click on new plan and then add it through here. But I'm just going to show you through the plans that you already have. So let's just choose one of those. So you will need to open it up. From here, you can see my plans, the title of that plan. Then you can see grid, board, schedule, charts, timeline, as well as 3 dots. And you can see the share button here. So if you click on this, you can see people and assignments. So you can assign this to this. So you can assign a task to someone. You can convert this to a premium plan. You can change this basic plan to a premium plan and have access to features like timeline, people, goals, and more. So if you click on convert, it may take a moment. So from here, you're going to be able to add members through here. So once converted, you can see stuff like people. So you can add them through here. You can add members through here. So if you click on this, you can see create group, or you can add it to an existing group. And it says here add members to create a new group. So if you just type in a name, an email address, stuff like that, you will see the option to click on that. After that, you can just create a new group and the members will be added. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.